This is the United States of America. It is June 2014. The U.S. Foods truck is loading up the new restaurant called The Parlor in Newport, Rhode Island, which is opening Friday the 13th, 2014. You can see there's a command center there with a screen. You can see there's a food truck. I'm thinking of the BIOSTAMP platform by MC10 Inc., licensed from the Rogers Research Group in the University of Illinois Urbana. That's a Band-Aid like electronic circuit platform with many sensors measuring all medical physiology and all medical biochemistry. If you're a medical doctor of a certain specialty, you probably have a set of 10, 50, or 100 medical biochemistry and medical physiology parameters that you'd like to measure on the BIOSTAMP platform that can give you a real-time command center dashboard of what's happening, whether it be insulin response of the pancreas after every meal, whether it be glucose levels, or whether it be cortisol or dopamine or any other medical physiology and medical biochemistry parameter. Why am I looking at this? The command center capability, the BIOSTAMP platform, the food industry, because let's face it, the obesity epidemic is causing Americans to silently be cutting their lifespan short by how much they exercise, what their careers are, how they manage their lives, what their food is. So everything from financial management to career management to relationship management to food management to spirituality and exercise all can be measured now with this new big data society. So imagine if we had an electronic circuitry patch on us all, and that data got recorded to a command center in the cloud, and we all had our own Dell cloud boards that were super PCs, almost like a supercomputer on the same PC platform that we've had since the 90s. And this capability is going to revolutionize America. This is what I'm working on. I will tell you, it's at widgetverticals.com. That's widgetverticals.com. And I'm architecting a future company called nanobiowave. I'm only in the research phase now, but it has to do with this platform called the BIOSTAMP, and you can take a look at that at mc10inc.com. Well, there's a company near Boston, and they're architecting more and more circuits on this BIOSTAMP platform, and they licensed the technology for this BIOSTAMP platform from the Rogers Research Group at the University of Illinois Urbana. So what I want to have is a lot of conventions happening everywhere where developers are going to get together with medical doctors and architect lots of sensors on this BIOSTAMP platform, demonstrating a fast time to market during like a 3-day convention. So it could be a 1-day convention or a 3-day convention or a 5-day convention. And just imagine medical doctors getting together with electrical engineers and PhDs and architecting advanced capability platforms at a convention. Imagine the time to market if you could architect electronic circuits at a convention and have it be deployed to market in a very short amount of time. This is what I think about when I look at U.S. Foods and I see the command center there and I think of the BIOSTAMP platform. The company architecture, enterprise architecture, and platform architecture is called nanobiowave. And you can see how if we can measure our foods and have all that on these command centers in the cloud, and have a health command center in our own homes, this is the future of real-time preventive healthcare with big data. Who's working on big data? IBM is working on big data. Oracle is working on big data. EMC is working on big data. VMware is working on big data. Cisco is working on big data. Hewlett-Packard is working on big data. Dell is working on big data. And we have the various hypervisors in the cloud, like Zen and like the Microsoft hypervisor, Hyper-V. And we have the VMware hypervisor. The hypervisor is how you allocate lots of servers for an enterprise application in the cloud. And this is what you can do at Amazon, in the Amazon cloud, in the Microsoft cloud, or in the phone company cloud. And you know the telecom clouds are going to be expanding over the next decade as they build out the bandwidth for the Verizon network, the T-Mobile network, the Sprint network, the AT&T network, not to mention Metro PCS and other phone companies that are going to emerge from the dark fiber infrastructure. Nanobiowave may start as a MVNO, a mobile virtual network operator that is a virtual phone company within the current phone company infrastructure or the dark fiber infrastructure that executes a lot of advanced capability using the BIOSTAMP platform or a BIOSTAMP platform like platform architecture. This is what Microsoft works on. This is what Intel works on. This is what IBM and Oracle work on. This is what Accenture is working on, Deloitte is working on, not to mention the number of military programs that are going on in this area to take total global command and control of the world. We've reached an area where big data and hyper-intelligence now determines a lot of what happens in life. My name is Michael Hughes. The company I'm architecting is called nanobiowave. Soon it will measure the food you eat every second. It'll measure the exercise you do, the sleep apnea people have, your sleep quality, things like diabetes and cancer. The BIOSTAMP platform will be able to detect the precursors to all these things. This capability is the most advanced capability ever realized in history. Once again, take a look at widgetverticals.com to see how this is going to be done. It's at widgetverticals.com. U.S. Foods, the command and control center capability, and the cloud. We're going to see Dell Computer bring out some cloud boards that are going to make everybody very happy. This is a new era of personal computing with wireless, big data, and a lot of mobile sensors embedded in the clothing. What we're talking about here is the quantified self. We're talking about here is advanced preventive healthcare intelligence, and we're talking about the next generations of Facebook that'll bring our healthcare, our capital management, our career management, our life management, nutrition management, and every other component of our society into the IBM Big Data Cloud. This is Michael Hughes. Look at widgetverticals.com to see the concept and architecture of the next generation phone company, nanobiowave.